Friday's volume day lower, daily chin-ups, and doing them through the rain and storm. Also added weighted vest, close grip, medium and wide. As for dynamic part, Bulgarian split squat jumps, 5 jumps per leg, 3 total sets. Wave 3 of front squats and snatch grip deadlifts, also supersets, front squat plus neck curls. 3 sets, 8, 6 and 3 reps. Everything scales according to percentages and training max. And here was the last and heaviest set. Now snatch grip deadlift, superset with neck extensions with bands. 3 sets, 5, 3 and 1 plus rep. Also everything according to percentages of training max. And here was the heaviest set, 1 plus rep. Three reps went pretty good, tried 4th, but failed. Overall, totally decent pulls. Next superset and abs. Weighted sit-ups on back extensions bench and barbell side to side twist. 3 rounds here as well. And finisher, big drop set of wide grip upright rows. Good day overall. Got 2 3-week waves back to back. Now it's time for deload on this day alone. Then to increase training maxes, get new percentages and continue pushing forward and increasing strength, power and mass. Some bonus muscle snatch. That was all. Stay strong and I will see you all really soon.